When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. As much as we think we're doing a great job, it's customers like this that tell us about their experience that push us harder to do better. We really enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing to us is to know from them that we're doing a great job. We value our customers, new and old. Whether you're brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to earn your business all over again. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.